Mamata Banerjee, the first big leader who has expressed some doubt about the circumstances of the crash, saying that there are people who told me that he was going to leave the Mahayuti fold, that he was with the government right now in Maharashtra, but some people suggesting that he was set to leave, which is why a proper investigation overseen by the Supreme Court is needed. And what's interesting that she's not the only one. There are voices now within the Congress as well. Nitin Raut, a Congress leader, has also expressed some doubts, but let's listen in because this is a big one coming from Mamata Banerjee.
I'm very much shocked and saddened to hear the message of Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister. He died today morning in a plane crash. I'm really shocked to see the news. There is no safety and security of the people of this country. Even the political leaders, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties, but he was very much with the ruling party. But before 2 days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased.
All right, this is very, very interesting and significant shift. The fact that you've got now two leaders, Mamata Banerjee saying, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties. He was with the ruling party, but I got to know through social network that he was willing to leave the BJP. Nitin Raut, senior Congress leader, saying that there should be an investigation. We shouldn't just treat it as an accident. We should see kahin koi gadbad to nahi hai. Ise aasani se nahi lena chahiye. So these rumblings have already started.